Raindrops, little raindrops. I see raindrops falling from my eyes. They're not falling from my eyes, they're falling from the sky. Woohoo. It's raining while the sun is shining, but we'll take it any way we can have it. I don't even know if we can call this rain, but we'll take it. I think the birds appreciated the little rain shower we just got. The little sprinkle shower, the little few droplets of water. Listen. That looks good. Just keep it up, just like this, for an hour. Yes! See, because it was almost empty again. We need to see some action here. It's raining, it's raining.